Hello everyone, you're welcome back to our digital math tutor class. In today's math class, we'll be looking at a question on angle theorem. It's a problem. So this is an example of an angle theory. What you're going to see here now, you are seeing all of this. This is an example of an angle theorem. So this a question just like this, and the examiner says we should find the value of x. Find the value of x. That's the question. Finding the value of x in this angle theorem. So what do? Very simple. That's exactly what we're going to do right away. If you are new to this channel, I encourage you to subscribe. You see, what we do here, we teach maths at all levels for all classes. So every topic you can think about, though it's a new channel, but we keep on posting videos. And practical video tutorials like this help children to learn faster than what the teachers are doing out there in the classrooms because of the nature of the classroom, work. Now, when you are given something like this, just watch this. You have here, look at all of this figure all together. It's so confusing. You have 75 degrees here, 70 degrees here, 65 here, x here, and you are finding the variable, which is x. So what do? There are a lot of theorems. When we talk about angle theory, there are so many of them. One of them says vertically opposite angles are equal. So what does that mean? It simply means that as we have 70 here, automatically this angle will be the same as 70 because vertically opposite angles are equal. So I'm going to have 70 here. That's what it means. And if I have 70 there, now look at this triangle. This triangle that went like this. It means that I have 75 here, 70 here. So I'm looking for the one that will be here. Do you understand? That's what it means. So if I have 75 and 70, that is 145. When I remove it from 180, which is the sum angle of a triangle, 180 minus 145 will give me 35. It means that this angle here is 35 degrees. So I've been able to find the angle at 75, 70, then 35 degrees. Now, let's go on. Remember what I just did? From what we just done now, here we have 75. Here we have 35. Am I right? It's okay. Now, having 35, 65 here, now look at it. In part of our angle theorem, we'll say the angle on a straight line equals to 180 degrees. Now look at this straight line. Are you seeing it? You have 65, you have 35, so we're looking at this one. Very simple. Apart from going this way, if I don't even need to go this way, just simply look at it that the whole of this angle are together. Look at the whole of this angle. And look at this line. If the whole of this angle are together, which is 35 plus 65, which is 100, are you aware that this whole angle from here to here is vertically opposite to the whole of this angle, x? This whole angle is vertically opposite to the whole of this. Let's look at it again. Okay, please, let's quickly get it right before we make mistake. Now, if this is 35 here, it means that in the angle theory that tells us that the sum angle of a straight line is 180. So I'm going to have 65 here, 35 here, which is 100. So what will be here? This angle will be 180 minus 100, which is 80. Let's face it. So if this is 80, now that's where I come. It means that also based on the angle theory that says vertically opposite angle is 80, it's equal. That means here too will be 80. Are you getting it? And that's what I wanted to do the other way around. And if here is 80, remember this is another straight line. This straight line has two angles, 80 and x. So if this is 80, x will be 180 minus 80, which is 100 degrees. And that's the same thing. If we are to go this way, we'll say, okay, the whole of this angle is the same thing as this. Vertical opposite angle, they are equal. So 65 plus 35 is 100. It means that x is also 100. Anywhere you follow it, you are going to arrive at 100. So the answer, the value of this x being a variable, is 100 degrees. That is what it's all about. I may have rushed it, right? No. Take your time. That's why it's video tutorial. Go through it, look at my explanations, fix it as it should be, give yourself more additional work, and try it over and over again. You have mastered this. That is you for us here in the digital math tutor will make mathematics simple and easier for you. So I encourage you, subscribe to this channel, and if you like the video we just recorded now, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. I'm going to stop at this point. Thanks for watching. God bless you.